I bet you can't guess how many times their size chia seeds can grow. Well, get ready to be amazed, because these little powerhouses are bursting with potential. But how exactly do you unlock their magic? In this video, we'll unveil the secrets of chia seeds, including the best ways to prepare them so you can experience their incredible health benefits firsthand. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of this superfood sensation? What are chia seeds? These black or white specks are packed with fiber, protein, and healthy fats. Don't be fooled by their size, these guys are nutritional ninjas. And in this video, we'll crack the code on how to take them for maximum benefit. So stick around to find out if chia seeds deserve a permanent spot in your pantry. Okay, so we know they're tiny, but what can chia seeds do for us? Let's explore some of their amazing health benefits. 1. Weight loss helpers. We all know the struggle. Chia seeds can help you feel fuller for longer, thanks to their fiber content. Fiber absorbs water and expands in your stomach, making you feel satisfied and less likely to overeat. Plus, chia seeds slow down the absorption of food, which helps stabilize blood sugar levels and reduce cravings. 2. Digestive dance. Feeling sluggish? Chia seeds might be your new best friend. Their high fiber content promotes healthy digestion by adding bulk to your stool, making it easier to pass through your digestive system. This can help prevent constipation and promote regularity. Did you know? Chia seeds can absorb up to 12 times their weight in water. That's like a tiny sponge party in your mouth. They were once considered runner's food by Aztec warriors because of their sustained energy benefits. Hey everyone, what other fun facts about chia seeds have you heard? Leave a comment below. What ancient civilization prized chia seeds as a valuable source of energy and nutrition, often carrying them on long journeys and using them as currency? Let me know your answers in the comments section. Looking forward to seeing the responses. 3. Nutrient powerhouse. From omega-3s to antioxidants, chia seeds are loaded with good stuff. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for heart health and brain function, while antioxidants help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Chia seeds also contain calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are important for bone health. 4. Supports eye health. The omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds, particularly DHA, play a crucial role in maintaining eye health and may help prevent age-related macular degeneration and other vision problems. 5. Improves dental health. Chia seeds are rich in calcium, phosphorus, and other minerals that support dental health by strengthening teeth and bones, while their natural gel-forming properties can help remove plaque and debris from teeth. 6. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chia seeds contain alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which is converted into anti-inflammatory compounds in the body, helping to reduce inflammation and alleviate symptoms of inflammatory conditions like arthritis. Alright, let's hit pause on our chia seed journey for a moment and switch gears to some light-hearted fun. Ever had a chia seed mishap that turned into a comedy of errors? Or perhaps you've concocted a recipe that was more hilarious than delicious? Share your hilarious chia seed stories in the comments below and let's have a chuckle together. 7. Regulates blood pressure. The high potassium content in chia seeds can help regulate blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium in the body, thus supporting cardiovascular health. 8. Skin health. The omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants in chia seeds can help reduce inflammation and promote healthy skin by combating oxidative stress and supporting skin cell regeneration. But how do we actually eat them? The good news is, they're incredibly versatile. Here are some fun ways to incorporate chia seeds into your diet. 1. Chia seed pudding, a healthy and delicious breakfast option. Simply mix chia seeds with your favorite milk and sweetener, then let it sit in the fridge overnight to thicken. 2. Chia seed smoothies. Boost your smoothie with a chia seed kick. Add a tablespoon or 2 of chia seeds to your favorite smoothie recipe for an extra dose of fiber and protein. 3. Chia seed salads. Add a little crunch and extra nutrients to your salad by sprinkling chia seeds on top. They'll add texture and flavor while boosting the nutritional content of your meal. 4. Chia seed drinks. Soak chia seeds in water or lemon water for a refreshing and hydrating drink. The seeds will swell up and create a gel-like texture, making it a fun and nutritious beverage option. How do you like to eat chia seeds? Share your recipes in the comments. Now, let's address some common chia seed questions. What do chia seeds taste like? Honestly, not much. They have a mild, nutty flavor. The best time to drink chia seeds for weight loss? There's no magic hour. Focus on incorporating them into a healthy diet. So, there you have it. Chia seeds, a tiny seed with a big impact on your health. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy content. Let me know in the comments how you plan to incorporate chia seeds into your diet, and share your favorite recipes.